Grass-eating prophet strikes again. Brings miracle snake to church. Lego Daniel, the South African pastor who once made his members eat grass and drink petrol, pulled another shocker in church by performing miracles with a live pet snake. In photos which have gone viral, the prophet trapped his pet snake around a cross made in the shape of a cobra head. The controversial prophet placed the snake in the middle of the communion, which was later distributed to members to eat and drink. Lego's members seemed to have no issues with the eerie reptile's presence and partook in the communion blessed by the snake.
Give them food from above. Stand up! Okay, go and eat. Go, quickly. Eat quickly.
Maybe some of you don't believe that this is fuel. If you can look at that fuel, it looks like apple juice.
How will you apple juice?
But it's not.
So I'm turning it into a pineapple juice. I'm turning it into pineapple juice. The word is upon it. Ow. You want to drink pineapple juice? Okay. Wait. Is it nice? How does it taste like?
It's sweet.
Oh, man of God, you want to taste? Is it nice?
They look educated, they look
Oh, it's finished. So, we are blessed. We are blessed to have this man here. And this woman here. Because it's a woman, you go she. What? I say with the shoes on.
We are used to the embodiment of godliness too much. We are not used to the power. So when we come here demonstrating that, it's very shocking to a lot of us.
I can't believe you. You do amazing things. I can't believe you.
I'm asking myself, I'm thinking maybe it's like they are deep in the sleep somewhere. They're not here.
They're not here.
But now, when you jump,
when I what?
When you jump on them, it's like their bodies are shaking like this.
Somebody brave. Can you clap her? Clap it.
Again.
Clap again.
Again.
Can you
they slap you, see there. Come, let's say, no be lesbian. You sure say you never kill this woman? Madam, confabulation.
Clap it.
Like my stupid brother. Two people will say, confabulation. He's a very stupid boy.
Is anybody sitting under the tree? Sleeping? Anybody sleeping under the trees? Sleep. Can somebody just walk and step on his stomach?
Jump. 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 Jump.